gonna show you all about cars today.
And today we're gonna show you all our Hot Wheels cars.
Yo, dude, I made it epic.
Ready, set, go. Okay, here we both pull one out.
No, you tell him. And I'll speed the camera person. You don't make the noise for it. You have to tell him about it.
So monster trucks have really big tires, guys know that. So now my cousin Kira over here, she's gonna show you how to drive a monster truck. So she's gonna pull one out. Pull the blue one. Okay, hold on. Right there. So do you guys see, hold on, now you say, do you guys see how big these are?
Do you guys see how big these are?
No, the tires.
Do you guys see how big these tires are?
Oh, here, hold on. And then now we both put them like this.
Okay, keep walking.
Watch it. This is how you drive this baby.
Kira, stop messing it up. Park right here. Kira.
So let me tell you about this monster truck.
Stop, Kira.
I want to tell him about
Hold on,
it.
Kira. There, that's good, right?
I want to tell him about it.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Right here, right here, right here.
It's got some blue on it.
Kira. And do you guys see my big tire right there?
Yeah, it's
really cool.
reflecting off my tablet case. So yeah. Now let's go get another monster truck. We gotta park these.
We have 2 more left for you
Park
guys.
these over here.
Wait, no, Kira, we're supposed to race them.
No, we're not.
Yeah, over.
No, hit the rim of it. Oh,
Okay,
yes.
Kira, what one do you want?
I made it in.
Tiger. Ready, set, go. Let's
Hurry.
go.
You have one more. He has 2 more to go.
Come on, you can do this.
Now we bring all of them.
I made it in my old one.
Oh, they can't see it. Let's
I got
tilt
this
them
here.
back.
No, back up.
There you go. Now I can see all of them.
So these are our 4 of them. 4. And we have a tiger, a Star Wars, and Digger, and we have my newest one, guys.
It's a silver.
Kira, shut up.
This is called Viper King. We know that. Where's your channel?
Here's our police car. Like, the police car is the one who like watches out for all the monster trucks. It's like
This is just a
sometimes.
random
Stop,
car.
Kira. I'm talking. And there's sometimes there's
King.
little, like,
Viper King.
you know, guys. Like sometimes there's little cop cars and stuff that come on the tracks and see like if people are hurt or not. You know, like. But monster trucks are my biggest fans. You know, I love Digger. He's my best fan. You know, actually, I'm Digger's son. You know, I actually get a lot of money for that. For real. I'm Digger's son, and my dad actually. I'm at my aunt's, and he is right. And now we're gonna show you guys how to run over a car.
With Digger. Play it on the big screen. Okay, guys, goodbye.
Wait, Kira. No. Wait, Kira. Now I face them all backwards.
Guys, I'm not on YouTube anymore.
Why? Because you didn't upload it.
Okay, wait. We have one
Yes, I
last
did.
car.
I clicked upload.
It's a giant, what kind of car is that?
A Dodge Challenger.
And here's the booty of it. Here's the booty.
Now I show it.
The booty.
What the heck is my channel? Guys, search me up and see if you can find me. Search me up.
No,
We can't.
we're making video.
Yeah, we're making YouTube stuff.
We're making YouTube videos.
Search me up.
No.
We're making YouTube videos.
Screw you guys. I'm leaving.
Okay, so I can't watch TV then. Because I have to have a video. Goodbye. Nah.
Wait, Kira. Give me that. That's my car. Okay.
Have a good